We are over here doing some work. I'm getting all this wood cleaned off so I can move it all out and get a better look of what we got. There's a cabinet up under here. See, I can't see the wood grain on none of that. There's a few pieces in here. I counted, you might be able to see that. Or even that one over there. That one up here. There's a few of them in here that I counted over 50 years. Of the growth ring, and this is just a regular 2x4. I mean, think about the whole tree. And this wood was, some of it was from a barn and some of it was from a house we took down that was built in 1851. So that house built in 1851, let's say if the tree was just 50, I think I counted 57 in one of them. Let's say just the tree was 57 years old. That's back into almost the 1700s is when this tree was growing. That's awesome to me. Very awesome. And some of that's gonna go in our house. Now some of the siding down here, it's all heart pine. I've done a bunch of woodworking with some of it. But some of it was reclaimed on the old house, and there's some more over here too. A bunch of it was reclaimed on the old house, so that's pretty awesome. I mean, there ain't no telling how old it is. And that one piece right here was over the front door with a big, it was a double front door, leaded glass. The guy I was helping or working with wanted the door. I should have kept it, but he wanted it for helping. I figured that'd be right. But all this was done in square nails. A lot of the, let me show you how this. A lot of the 2x4 studs, it wasn't nailed in. I kept a couple of them, tops of them. They were mortised and tinted. If you can see that. This was the stud. The top plate was up here, and this just was loose in there. You could go up and grab most of them, and they were just loose as everything. This one still had some of the siding on it. I guess that's what that was. But some of these studs, that piece right there, that ain't no 2 inches. I got a tape measure in here somewhere. Let me see what that's gonna read. Look at that. That ain't gonna focus. Alright, there is 2.5. Almost was 3, but for some reason it's tapered down. They eat away with the axe or hatchet or whatever. They eat away on the bottom side too. I don't know. Ain't no telling. Here's another one. I just thought that was pretty cool. And I believe I got a couple of them that had the mortises in them. I can't remember. I may have already used them on something, but I know there was a few of them. I see them in a junky porch. I got a bunch of e-waste out there. Just gonna take it to the scrap. But from these that touch the wall all the way down to here, this longest one is 19 foot. So cutting the ends off, and we had already done that one. Yeah, I think the longest one we had was 23 foot. But I did cut the ends off to kind of clean them up, make them fit in here a little bit better. And all this is door trim, window trim, beadboard, some siding right here. Some more beadboard up there of the old house. You can see most of them. Come all the way down. There's a lot of them that don't. But we're going to use them where we can. Yeah, I'll walk out through the house with the gimbal here. It's got wood stacked everywhere. We got our kitchen sink. We come up on a deal on that about 90 miles away. I was up there selling some plum trees and found that thing for 10 bucks. It's an extra deep and one side's wider than the other. It's kind of what we were wanting, kind of a farm style. This will be looking from the back of our bedroom down towards the hall. We got a door for there. I built a barn style door out of some of this old wood that was not even going to fit in this house. I mean, we might make it somewhere, but we've already got a bedroom door. We've got a bathroom door. That louver door right there. I can't remember how Karen says it. Louver. She gonna get me. But we got that louver door, so there'll be ventilation. And we're probably gonna put a screen on the bottom so nobody can look up in there. Hadley. Tearing all this down. Whew. It's gonna be where the work is. It's moving all this stuff. I'm hoping to do that today. I got over here and it's sprinkling a little bit. I got me a big tarp that I was gonna sit all this wood out and then tarp it. But I was really wanting to do that on a dry day. Because just getting all this out is going to take me a good hour or two. I don't want to leave it uncovered that long. But we'll get it. We'll get it going. This part's getting kind of long, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it off. I think I'm going to try to do a time lapse on the rest of this. I don't know yet. We'll have to see.
A few moments later.